Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Eskom targets 975 megawatts in savings as it restarts its DSM schemes. And vested interests and a lack of understanding are the key impediments to a PGMs exchange. State-owned power utility Eskom, which halted its demand-side management interventions last year owing to funding uncertainties, reports that some of the programs will be restarted this year and that a savings target of 975 megawatts has been set.
In terms of once again, back to the mathematics, we have less funding than we originally had applied for through the MYPD3 process. But nevertheless, our intention is with that lower funding still to meet our targets. And the mathematics, again, of our demand-side management program is as follows. We had stopped our program for the last year due to financial constraints in Eskom. But through the war room, through the current situation, we've restarted it. So we have 1.7 billion rand, which we'll be investing to achieve savings of 975 megawatts.
As more than 80% of the world's known platinum group metals reserves are in South Africa, it is ideal that a PGMs exchange be established locally to ensure that the country receives maximum benefits from its mineral wealth.
And of course, when you begin to dig deeper and deeper, it becomes quite clear that a commodity exchange driven by the private sector, managed by the private sector, invested by the private sector, is a perfect modern way of making sure that the users of platinum have as much information and predictability on the supply side of the commodity that they use. And of course, interestingly enough, for the suppliers of platinum or mining companies, most of them in South Africa, they too have the predictability of what's the market demand is, what the offtake is, and how they should then design their production processes so that they don't run into a boom-bust situation that one year there's oversupply, another year is shortage, and prices go through these wild swings. So whether you're a producer, a mining company, and invest in the mining company, or whether you're a user of platinum in whatever industry you are, wherever on the globe, a commodity exchange focused on platinum would give you the type of assurances that would create market stability, would take out or smooth out cyclical volatility, and all in all, that's benefit to South Africa.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged onto miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.